When I did my first Flipping the Pages video that had a really old Hot Wheels catalog in it, I got a text message from one of my oldest and dearest friends, Philip. I've known Phil for, like 60 years now. We grew up next to each other. And he said, "Do you remember the Hot Wheels stencil set?" And I didn't. And then I came across this. This is the Hot Wheels Picture Maker Car Designer Set. These are the instructions for that set. So let's take a look at them. Now in the set, here's the contents that were in it. The drawing board, colored pencils, pen, paper, and 6 picture cards. Stencils. Part 1 is how to draw a car. You start off by putting the paper in the drawing board. Obviously, close that on there. You put a picture card on the drawing board, put green colored bar at picture pointer, draw inside all of the green holes. So you're basically tracing around that stencil. Move black color bar to picture pointer. So you see at the top, you're moving it across. Draw inside all black holes. Move red color bar at the top of the stencil, to picture pointer. Draw inside all red holes. That apparently gave you your drawing. Then they made it more elaborate. Part 2. How to design your own car. Just use 3 picture cards instead of 1. You may see where we're going with this already. You can make 3 different car parts with each picture card. You can make rear ends, passenger sections, front ends. In other words, remember the green, the black, and the red bars at the top of each stencil? You choose a section of car based upon those color bars at the top. If you draw inside all the dotted lines, you'll make a rear end. See steps 1 and 2. If you draw inside the solid lines, you'll make a passenger section. See steps 3 and 4. If you draw inside all the plus lines, you'll make a front end. It's pretty wild. And here's another look at this other section of that. And they were showing the Turbo Fire, the Twin Mill, and the Torero. All 3 T cars, but that's probably just a coincidence. Use the Twin Mill picture card to make the rear end. Draw green, black, and red dotted lines. Move the picture card over before you draw each color. Okay, so it's working a little differently, actually, than I thought when I first mentioned it a second ago. The finished rear end looks like this. That's interesting. Use the Torero picture card, make the passenger section, draw green, black, and red lines, solid lines. Move the picture card over before you draw each color. Finished rear end passenger section looks like this. And then use the Turbo Fire picture card to make the front end, draw green, black, and red plus lines. Move the picture card over before you draw each color. Then the finished car looks like this. Now, it's interesting. It's different. It's pretty cool in a way. Wonder if they ever made that car. Then finally, there's the back of it. That's all of the instructions that we've seen there. Basically, they show you that there's, you can design and draw 216 perfect pictures with each Picture Maker Designer set by Mattel. There was the Hot Wheels version, a Barbie version, a Funny Figure Designer set. Go figure. And then down here, they talk about different picture cards. Picture cards. It looks like these, you can get these different picture cards. It looks like these were more, 27 custom trucks. 27 custom planes. I don't know, kind of interesting. But it would be interesting to see one of these sets today. But there you have it for the instructions. I thought this would be fun to take a look at. And hey, Phil, there's your stencil set thing. Everybody, thanks for watching.